Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already need an Apple ID and a Mac with camera and mic, so sign in now and open FaceTime. Once done, enable FaceTime in the app preferences and confirm camera and microphone access in system settings so audio and video work. Next, click the search bar and type a contact name, phone number, or email to prepare a call. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Poor bandwidth is the most common early blocker, so switch networks if needed. Begin the call by selecting video or audio. You get crucial camera controls on the call toolbar, so choose HD or switch to continuity camera from your iPhone for better quality. Once connected, add more participants via the Add button to create a group call and manage speaker tiles to focus on who matters. Use the mute and camera buttons to control input and enable live captions for clarity. These steps control both experience and bandwidth, which is why you adjust them mid-call. When you finish, hit the red hang-up button and check the sidebar for missed calls or recent contacts to call back. If audio or video failed, sign out of FaceTime and sign back in, restart your Mac, and recheck camera and microphone permissions. This clears common auth and driver glitches. If that does not fix it, try another network or another person to isolate the problem. Remember to keep Mac OS and FaceTime updated so new compatibility fixes are applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.